Hello friend, welcome back to my another video. Today I will show you how to purchase a domain by your local currency from Bangladesh. So let's start. This website address is provided in our video description. We will first check the name of the website that I am thinking about purchasing. The domain extensions, such as .com, .org, and .info, vary in price. So first of all, we check the prices list. Now, check the domain name. Yes, the domain name, IAMBUZI Club, is available for purchase. If you want to purchase it, then click to add cart, and complete the payment process. Rechecking another name. This is also available for purchasing. Now we can purchase this domain name. So let's complete the purchase process. You can pay online through this website. We're using Bcash for the payment system. This is very easy way to pay online. Simply use the Bcash app to make the payment, then enter the transaction ID to have it verified. Now, click to Verify button. Verify is completed, and your domain purchase confirmed by to mobile SMS and email invoice. Your domain is confirmed. Now you can set up with your hosting server, or you can purchase it also from this site.